Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you two prop firm accounts that are still active right now. So you can still claim them and you can start trading with them. And most importantly, you can make real withdrawals from them, okay? So make sure you stick around to the end of this video because you don't want to miss this opportunity. So I noticed something. 79% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Yes, so if you're enjoying my content on Forex, no deposit bonuses, and cryptocurrency, please take a second to subscribe, to like, and also to share my videos so that your friends can all benefit from it. Okay, so for you to get the link or for you to get access to the link, you go to my description below. So once you go to the description below, then it's going to bring you right here where you're going to see link to sign up, or you can see get the bonus here, or claim the bonus here, or click on the link right here. So once you just see it, you're going to click on the link that you see there. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. Yeah, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. So that is where you're going to get the link. Can you see it right here? So that is where you're going to get the link to the video, the link to get the bonus. All right. Yes, so make sure you join my Telegram community or my Telegram channel right here for you to get more updates.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. This is an Aqua funded, instant funded 5K account. Okay, you can see the account size, which is $5,000. You can see the profit slip, which is up to 100%. You can see the leverage, which is 1:50. You can see the maximum daily loss. You can see the maximum and the minimum. You can see the profit target. You can see the withdrawal terms, and so on. So you can just go through it. So after that, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be seeing what make payments, but we're not making any payment. It is totally free. Okay, it is totally free. We're not making any payments. So this is what the site looks like. Okay, so after that, we're going to be logging in. We are going to be logging in. So we're just going to click on login right here. You can see it. So once we click on login right here, it's going to bring us over to this place where we're going to create an account. So we're just going to click on create one. Then we're going to be imputing our full name and our email with our password. So once we're done doing that, we're going to re-log in again, imputing our email and password. Okay, so this is what the site looks like. So we're not getting a competition account, we are getting a real account. So once you do that, we're going to click on an icon up there. Yes, you're going to see the icon up there. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this place where you're going to click on Aqua Points. So it's going to bring you over to where you're going to click on Aqua Points right here. Okay, so what we are doing is that we want to accumulate points to get the account. So we want to accumulate points to get the account. So you can see the points to be claimed right here, which is 2,690. You can see the total rewards claimed. You can see the total points. You can see the special offer. Okay, so after that, we're going to click on rewards. You can see all the rewards we have here. Yes, you can see the 10K account, you can see the 25K account and the points to claim. You can see the 50K account, you can see the 60K and the points to claim. But we are not after all this, we're after the 5K accounts, and we are to claim 700 points. So once you pass this account and you make profits, you can withdraw. Okay, so this is it right here. These are all the rewards that you are to get. Okay, then after that, you're going to click on task. Yes, see, this is it right here. So once you click on task, then it will show you all the kinds of work that you can do to accumulate points. Okay, you can see it, 40% discount. You can see it right here. Okay, so you have to follow them on Instagram, you have to follow them on Twitter. Okay, So this is it. Just follow them on Twitter, and there's some points too that you're going to claim. See, you follow them on YouTube, you watch their YouTube videos, you follow them on Telegram, you follow them on Twitter. So these are all the tasks that you need to do to get the account. Okay, so once you accumulate all those points and you get about 700 points easily in a week or less than a week, then you can go and get the instant 5k account. Okay, so this is how to get the 5k account. Just make sure you follow all the tags and all the rewards and get what's accumulated points. So once you get accumulated points, then you'll be able to claim the account. So if you know. Okay, so once you get $100,000 PropFirm account, and this is the site where we're going to be getting the $100 from. Okay, so if you know you're an Android user, you have to download the app. Yes, you have to download the app, but for iOS user, you can get it directly from the site. Okay, so you can see what the site looks like. Free internship. Okay, so we have the step 1, step 2, and step 3. So you have to prove, trade, and earn. So for the step 1, you have to pass the free internship. You have to show your skills, prove your potential, and qualify for funding. And for step 2, you have to get funded. That is, you have to receive your funded account and start trading with our capital. Then for step 3, you have to earn as you trade. So you have to trade successfully and keep the profits you earn. Okay, so this is it. So the internship condition is free internship, and you can see it right here, the basic rules and qualification. The capital is $100,000, like we all know. Then the duration is 4 weeks, and the attempt is unlimited. You can see the leverage right here, 1:1. Yes, and this is the performance. Yes, so the key targets, metrics, and risk management. So the profit target is $1,000, and the weekly profit target is $250, and for the weekly drawdown limit is minus $1,000. So the drawdown is based on your equity at the start of each trading week. Yes, so these are the things that you need to know about the site. Yes, so for the basic funded account rules and qualifications, you can see it right here. You can see it right here. So why choose funders? You can also see it right here. The number of internship, the cool-off period, the capital increased, the payouts, the payout cycle. So you can see everything right here. So we have the best trading conditions. We have the best trading style. Okay. So we also have frequently asked questions. How do I get started? So once you click on it, it's going to pop out. Okay. So as you can see it here, you have to download the app from Play Store and sign up. Then verify your account. Start your internship straight from the app. Can see it. Are there any hidden rules or strategies? We also have them here. Then I reached my profit target earlier. Can I become funded right away? You have it right here. Then what happens if I don't pass the internship? You also see it right here. And it's trading available on weekends. You can also see it right here. So all these are the things that you need to know about the site. Okay, so I'm an Android user, so I'm going to be downloading the app right now. Yes, so I will just get it on Google Play Store. So I'm just going to click on it. Okay, this is it right here, Fundis Pro. So I'm going to be installing it. So it's downloading. Okay, so I'm done downloading it. So I'm just going to click on open. Yes. So the first thing that I need to do is to register. Okay. So I have to register first. But if you already have an account, you can just sign in. So let's click on register. So I'm going to be inputting my email, then I'll click on continue. Okay, so after that you have to set your password. So you have to create a password. Then after doing that, you click on continue. So let's do that. Okay, so a code has been sent to my email, so I'm just going to be inputting the code right here. So let's do that. So I'm waiting for the code. Okay, this is it right here. So I'm going to be copying the code and I'm going to paste it over there. Okay, so after that, you're going to be inputting the code you got. Yes. So if you know you did not get any code, then you can just skip it. Okay, so after that, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be saying more about the $100 PropFirm account. Okay, so as you can see, the capital is $100,000 rather. Then the duration is 4 weeks. Then the weekly drawdown limit, you can see it. Then the profit target, you can also see it right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on start internship. Okay, so after clicking on it, it's going to bring this out. If you complete your verification, so you have to verify your profile to start the journey on this funded trading. Okay, so I'm just going to verify my profile. I'm going to click on it. It's loading. Yes, so this is it. So if you're a resident of any of these countries, you can just click on it. Okay, so click on continue. So you have to verify your ID. Yes, you can make use of your NIN. And you have to also take a selfie. Okay, so let's do that. I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, so you're going to select your document type. I'm going to be selecting my ID card. So let me do all of this, then when I'm done, I'll come back. We'll continue from there. Okay, so I'm done uploading my document. So as you can see, the system is reviewing my document, and this will take about 2 minutes. So I'm waiting to be verified. After that, we're going to proceed. Okay, so as you can see, my ID verification is complete. Yes, so you can see it right here. It is complete. Okay, so we're just going to click on get started now. So it's loading. The web page is loading. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this place where you're going to click on start internship. Yes, so it's loading. It's also loading. Yes, so once you click on start internship, then to bring you over to this place. As you can see it right here, you can see my $100,000 there chilling. Yes, so you can see. So we're going to be trading right here in the site. That's the app. Yes, we're not making use of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You're trading right here. You can see the $100,000 up there. So we're going to be trading right here in the site. Okay, that is the app. For those that are using Android, you'll be trading right there in the app. Okay, so for those that are using iOS, you can also get it directly from the site. Yes, so this is it right here. This is how to place trade. Yes, so this is all that you need to know about the sites. Okay, so go and claim yours right now. It's still available. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.